Is it time to buy or sell MP Materials stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MP Materials. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked MP Materials as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 136.86%. Since we initially recommended purchasing MP Materials 28 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.89% per day since its classification as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system anticipates substantial volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Taking into account the latest developments, we are currently unable to ascertain the stock's next movement, as it may proceed in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 47.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 26.04% to 47.82%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 122.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 18.64% to 32.49% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $47.37 and $77.14. Our latest daily update for MP Materials includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MP Materials Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between $52.90 and $62.87. The MP Materials stock price gained nearly 20% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, rising from $48.52 to $58.22. During that day, the stock fluctuated by almost 19%, reaching a low of $52.90 and a high of $62.87. The price has been quite dynamic during this period, showing a total gain of around 75% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 47 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 71 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.120 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $62.87, while the lowest price was $10.02. Currently, the price stands 7.4%, or $4.65, below the 52-week high of $62.87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MP Materials has made significant waves with its new partnership valued at $500 million with Apple. This collaboration focuses on the production of rare earth magnets, which are essential components for Apple's range of products, including iPhones. The agreement not only secures a domestic supply chain for these vital materials, but also enhances MP's standing as the only fully integrated rare earth mining company operating in the United States. In response to this deal, MP Materials stock experienced an impressive surge of nearly 19%, indicating a strong sense of investor confidence and enthusiasm. The substantial investment from Apple is expected to bolster the operational capacity of MP's Texas facility, potentially leading to increased production and revenues. In the short term, this momentum could contribute to further stock price appreciation as analysts and investors recognize the strategic implications of the partnership. Looking ahead, as the demand for rare earth materials increases, driven by global trends in clean energy and technology, MP is well positioned to benefit significantly from its strengthened position in this critical industry. This collaboration not only solidifies MP's market presence, but also aligns with broader efforts to localize production and reduce reliance on foreign supply chains. particularly from China. This proactive strategy may inspire additional investor interest, setting the stage for sustained growth in stock value over time. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank also rated MP as market perform, maintaining a hold recommendation. On the same day, Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, Canaccord Genuity rated MP as underperform while issuing a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, BMO Capital again rated MP as market perform with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, Deutsche Bank rated MP as market perform once more with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned MP Materials stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MP Materials. The MP Materials stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is anticipated at the levels of $41.34 and $31.37. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 210.18%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. The increase in volume alongside the rising price is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the short-term development. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 67 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MP Materials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $48.52 and $45.23. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, MP Materials finds support just below today's level at $48.52. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $45.23 and $45.11. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.97 between its high and low, or 18.85%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 11.83%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MP Materials, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 16 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MP Materials. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, MP Materials encounters its first support level at $48.52. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MP Materials from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of July 2025, Hoops Elliott Dean executed an insider sale of 3,937 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hoops Elliott Dean also conducted an insider sale of 2,401 shares of common stock. On the 30th day of June 2025, Lavin Marianne made an insider purchase of 845 shares of common stock. On that same day, Duckworth Connie K conducted an insider purchase of 901 shares of common stock. On the 26th day of June 2025, Hoops Elliott Dean carried out an insider sale of 5,523 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 79.062. In total, insiders bought 904,958 shares and sold 6,159,885 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $56.24, reflecting a decrease of 3.4%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a high level of risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 33 days ago. Is MP Materials stock a good buy? MP Materials presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to hold or accumulate while waiting for further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate that MP Materials will open lower by approximately 22 cents, starting its trading at $58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us at Stock Invest.